Hello, little friends. Are you ready to learn something super important today? But before we start, please give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new fun and educational video. Let's join Hera, the smart leopard gecko, and her best friend Pongo, the playful crested gecko, as they discover what unhealthy food is and why we should be careful with what we eat.
Hi, Hera. Guess what? I just ate something delicious.
Hi, Pongo. That sounds exciting. What did you eat?
I had chips, soda, and a big slice of chocolate cake. Yum!
That sure sounds tasty, but not very healthy, Pongo.
Not healthy, but it tasted so good.
Let me explain. Today we're going to learn about unhealthy food and what it can do to our bodies. Unhealthy food is food that has too much sugar, fat, or salt. It might taste yummy, but it doesn't help our bodies grow strong.
Like candy and fries?
Exactly, Pongo. Candy, chips, soda, burgers, and fried foods are examples of unhealthy food. This is also called fast food because it's made quickly, but it's not always good for us.
When we eat too much unhealthy food, it can make us feel tired and sleepy, get sick more often, have tummy aches, and not grow strong and healthy.
Oh no, I don't want that to happen.
Don't worry, Pongo. You can still enjoy a small treat sometimes, but most of the time we should eat healthy food. Let's play a fun game. I'll show you some food and you tell me if it's healthy or unhealthy.
An apple, broccoli, pizza, candy, strawberries, soda, fish, carrots.
Apple, healthy. Broccoli, healthy. Pizza, unhealthy. Candy, unhealthy. Strawberries, healthy. Soda, unhealthy. Fish, healthy. Carrots, healthy.
Great job, Pongo. You're a food expert now. Healthy food helps us run and play all day, stay strong and tall, keep our hearts happy and our minds smart.
Wow, I want to eat more healthy food. What should I eat today?
How about a banana, some rice and veggies, and a cup of water?
Yum, that sounds great.
Let's remember what we learned today.
Candy, chips, and soda pop are fun sometimes, but let's not stop eating fruits and veggies too. They help your body take care of you. Thank you, Hera. Now I know all about unhealthy food and what I should eat instead.
You're welcome, Pongo. And remember, kids, healthy food makes you strong and happy.
That's all for today, little explorers. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you never miss an adventure with Hera and Pongo. And tell us in the comments what subjects would you like Hera to teach Pongo in the future episodes. See you next time with Hera and Pongo for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.